Hey guys, I want to give a huge shout out to DK Dynamite Pluto and the Gaming Revolution. They have solved the mystery on what's going on with this classified main Easter egg. In the last few days, rumors started to surface that you had to go to round 255 to finish this Easter egg and see the ending cutscene. So a lot of people were trying it, and they actually discovered that you don't have to go to round 255. You only have to go to round 150. So when you go from 149 and it changes over to 150, the screen goes black and you get this cutscene. Shout out to these guys for sharing the cutscene with me. I'll show it to you guys right now.
The Earth, we saw it destroyed, yet here we are.
It's more time travel bullshit, Tech. Just hasn't happened yet. Speaking of BS. How the hell did you get back in your body, Doc?
Does it matter, Dempsey?
I'll tell you what matter. Americans still give Nikolai his vodka. Is that your plan, Nikolai? To give up and drink yourself to oblivion? Or do you want to make a difference for once in your life?
You? Oh, Scheiße.
You four must come with us. In time, it will make sense. Now...
Intruders on the base. Hangar 4.
Now we must go, quickly. There is a war to be fought.
War? What kind of war?
A war unlike any you have ever seen. The Great War. Thank you for watching Glitching Queen's video! Hoorah!